Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the theme of the BitVavo application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it. And here in this page you can just scroll down a little bit and you will see here the app settings category, and there you should just select the second option, which is theme. And here you can just change the theme. Basically you can see that by default it is set to the system. You can also set it to light or dark. So basically you can switch between these two. In reality these are the two themes that you can switch, and you can just see that by one touch you can just switch to the specific theme that you want, and if you go back you can see that it will stay like that. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.